Come on, show. How he is jumping. Show us, please.
Okay. Like that, like that, like that.
On it and show it to guys also. Wow. Jaggu is so nice. Wow, your Jaggu is so naughty. You like your Jaggu?
Yeah. Oh, Jaggu, don't go. He's cringing like, don't go to there. This...
So your Jaggu eats something?
Yeah.
What he's eating?
Carrot.
Jaggu is a dog. Dog eats bone, not carrot. Your Jaggu eats carrot?
No.
What he eats?
He eats meat. I buy in a shop, okay?
Okay, so what you will buy for him? Bones and meat?
Bones and why you buy for me?
I will not buy for you. You buy for Jaggu, okay?
Bones or meat?
Bones and meat. Okay, fine, no problem. So you love your Jaggu?
Yeah.
That's so nice.
Jaggu, sit. Look, I do that and then sit. Hey! मैं बंद करूं? Okay guys, I'm playing with Jaggu. When I play with him, I make another video. Till then, bye.
What is this? You'll okay.
Okay. Bye.
Now you can play with Jaggu, no problem. Play with Jaggu.
Okay. Yeah. Jaggu the dawn.
Dawn? What is the meaning of dawn?
Oh.
Which kind of dawn it is?
Oh.
Okay, Fiza, now you can show us that how he jumps.
Okay.
Okay, show it.
उसके हैं हाँ तो उसके दादी बेर है छोटा वाला दादी बेर को अपने Oh mommy, you're making my video?
Yes. Who is this?
This is a dog over there.
What's his name?
His name is Jaggu.
Jaggu?